Hazrat Ali described about sleep as Bisal Ghanimun Nomu Yufni Kasiral Umr. Sleep is such a thing which diminishes the short life, according to Surah An-Naba, ayat number 9. Waja'alna Nomakum Subata, and made your sleep a means for rest. Too much sleep wastes a person's religion and world. As-sahrul lazzi lil manam. Sleep is very pleasant after being awake. When you sleep, take the right crotch, then the left crotch, and when you wake up, it should be the right crotch. La tatraku nara fi buyutikum hina tanamun. Don't leave the fire burning in the house when you go to sleep. Qilu fa inna shaitana la taqil. Do midday nap. Indeed, Satan doesn't do midday nap. According to Hadith Qudsi, Kaziba man za'ama annahu yuhibbuni fa'iza laylu nama. The person tells a lie who claims that he loves Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala but sleeps whole of the night. The chief of American Cancer Society, Dr. Daniel Krabick, concluded after his 6 years survey research that the persons who sleep more than 8 hours have excessive 3 times death ratio than others.